Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Weebly affiliate program for effective marketing step by step clearly. To configure the Weebly affiliate program for effective marketing, first, log in to your Weebly account. Once you are logged in, navigate to your website dashboard. From the dashboard, go to the Settings tab located on the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, find and click on the SEO option. Scroll down until you see the Affiliate Links section. Click on the option to enable affiliate links. Now, you will need to input your affiliate ID. You can find this ID in your affiliate program account. Enter the affiliate ID into the designated field. Make sure to save the changes you just made. Next, check your website's product pages or blog for affiliate product placements. Select the products or services you want to promote. In your editor, add text or images that will serve as your affiliate links. Highlight the text or select the image you want to link. Click on the link icon in the toolbar. Paste your affiliate product link in the URL field. Ensure that the link opens in a new tab for better user experience. After adding the links, save your changes to the page. Next, consider creating a dedicated section or page for affiliate products. This can enhance visibility and improve user engagement. Utilize clear calls to action that guide visitors to your affiliate links. Regularly monitor your affiliate dashboard for analytics and performance. Make adjustments to your strategy based on which products perform best. To drive traffic, share your Weebly site on social media and other platforms. Engage with your audience through valuable content surrounding your affiliate products. By following these steps, you can effectively configure the Weebly affiliate program for optimal marketing success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.